All right.
There's no need to be frightened, Rem.
Early morning. Going with gun rem build.
I mean, sure. I'm in a Vindicta lane. I feel scammed.
Archmother is here to guide you to
Been seeing a lot of this build. Don't play rem that much, but I think it might be funny. We're going for it. Wow. Already off to a good start. Furnace and Dynamo. I think Infernus is super busted right now. Not really like him, but Dynamo is my boy though. I don't even know if they can. They're really taking a minute to kill this trooper. Alright. 100, got an egg max. That doesn't seem like a good start in the Vindicta lane.
No. You'd be correct. But it was funny.
Ow. Fire is just so big for no reason for Infernus. What's me out looking like right now? Ow. Ow. Ooh. Do a little healing. Mina should probably farm those guys. I don't know, Gunrem just seems kind of funny. He's just a little pillow guy, but
That's a better start.
that to you. Okay, I guess I'll try to. So I'm chilling. It'll take me a second.
Alright, time to back.
Been having a lot of fun with the odd builds, but paradoxes just seem to be my go-to.
Great at shuffleboard.
Here is this. A little bit of healing for my gal. You missed. Kinetic pulse. What? Alright, I gotta get out of here. Ow. Oh my. Holy moly.
Honestly, I don't think I've ever leaned against a drifter before. Good to know.
Okay, this guy melees a lot. I'm still tired, it's not fair. I don't need a melee dynamo all the time. Napalm just railed me. Alright. Mina's so lit too. Health down over there, Mina.
Nice.
Ivy, your presence is a
Oh,
burden to us
expired.
all.
Okay, that was greedy. I apologize.
Okay, Mina got some healing.
things.
I don't know about this lane. I mean, we're okay.
Drifter coming over mid. Oh, never mind.
If I get jumped in here, I feel it. To my gallop. What are we at? 5 minutes? Bridge buffs already got slurped up. I guess I could go steal that bridge buff.
I see that.
Yeah, let's go steal that one. That's okay. No, Dynamo, you can stop being a little harasser.
I see Infernus.
Oh, buddy. Alright, what are we doing?
Nice.
Your Infernus is being neglected. Let's give that trooper a little buff. 6 minutes. 2 minutes.
Speed boosting.
Dynamo, it's a little stompa. That's my ult. Well, the aim's a little bad. I don't know if I should have done a gun build. Ow. Probably save up for Encanter's Emblem. Oh, I don't have it on this build. Do you have any spirit resist? I just save up for it, nonetheless. Seven minutes, that should have hit.
She's one by the way.
Furnace is coming. Alright. Little. Give it my guys. Oh. Get my Mina out of that. Um, 10 seconds till. Hiding. Hiding.
I know you'll help me. I need to see what they have in the
Watch
store.
out, Mina Ha. Mina Ha.
Actually, no, I'm gonna agree.
Gonna steal all their little sinners.
I see Dynamo.
Catch that, Dynamo. Get Encanter's Emblem. Good. What can we get now? I guess we can get Titanic things.
Hi there.
Oh, that Vindicta's kind of fed. I don't like the lineup of the other team very much.
Feel free to heavy my ball. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna pop my blue real quick. You all good with that? I'll take that as a yes.
I'm good with that. Okay, Drifter's a little afraid of me. Why? Hey,
Big,
I told you to
great
farm that.
shuffleboard. They took a Viper.
Let's just put this.
Look, he's low.
Such heroism more than
Some damage to him.
Reinforce
We just
has
farming his junk.
arrived.
Oh! Help! Help me now.
Come back, Ivy.
I see Dynamo.
Okay, what on earth? Okay, they got it. Spirit Rem. Nuh-uh.
Spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
Is their vending machine already back up? I mean, I kind of thought your center was back up. That center's gone.
The
Farm
urn
is W. We got 4 now. Yeah, I don't play Rem that much. I guess I should go be farming the sewer.
I know you'll help me.
Okay, this gets both.
I like naps.
I think at 10 minutes, the idols spawn below. I hear someone in our
Thank you.
shop, Mina.
What can I buy now? There's all.
Oh, they've got a lot of juice. Go for cultist sacrifice. Go farm this big guy over here. Boom.
Coming back up mid. It's sneaky.
$1,600, I can get split shot. Ow. Don't appreciate that.
Don't be a jerk.
Heal this guy. I'm gonna go back up here now. That was interesting. Boom. Yeah, now we farm.
What's the plan?
Now we farm.
Thanks.
Give. Mine, mine, mine. All mine. Slurp it up. Gunrum's just funny because all my abilities suck.
Our yellow guardian has been destroyed.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Let me in. Slurp, slurp.
Headed to
Ah,
Broadway.
I can't really fight. I'm gonna back and come back.
All the juice.
Our blue guardian has been
It's okay.
destroyed.
It's
Our
probably not
blue
the
walker
best,
is
but-
under attack.
Oh, uh-oh. She missed? I'm dead. Ah, that was stupid. Dynamo came in with vengeance.
I see Vindicta.
When should I crack my egg? Oh, bowling bullets, didn't see that. 15, 20 minutes. Yeah, I'd probably just crack it now, huh? Get slowing bullets. Mina's winning that fight. See how the other lanes are gone. Holy. Okay, this is just, it's just us versus Vindicta, it looks like. Let's crack this egg.
Our yellow walker
Oh.
is under attack.
Oh yeah, I bought slowing bullets, never mind. I got yellow.
Right.
Die. I'm a little rat.
See Drifter. Come out and play with me.
Our blue walker is under attack.
Coming up behind Blue Walker. I'm gonna ult them. Oh,
Good job.
good job. Rem is so cute. Move up.
I see Dynamo.
Surely the team didn't leave
Our
both the
yellow
sinners in here.
walker
Okay, they
is
didn't
under attack.
kill you.
Our green guardian has been defeated.
Who's farming my sinner?
They do lots of things.
Our green walker is under attack.
Oh, that's the enemy Celeste. Ooh. Get out of there. Let's go steal some sinners. I'm a rooftop monkey. All the sinners up.
Thank you.
They got the. Ooh. There's a couple people mid.
I see.
Our yellow walker is under attack.
Ivy's got that. Oh, there's no one else
Maybe
to
now
get.
people will start taking me seriously.
Holy.
I see Dynamo.
Their wave. Little rat.
Neat. Our green
Oh,
walker
Dynamo.
is under attack.
Holy. Oh, McGinnis. Oh, McGinnis is not a good player. Oh, you walled yourself off.
Smart lady. York needs help.
Oh, I don't like Dynamo.
Our yellow
Could be
walker
Bob.
has been
Ooh,
destroyed.
and Vindicta? Nah. I'm okay. I'm actually so okay. I'll help you. Don't worry. Oh, can't help you much more than that. I do have my ult though. Let's see if I can get a good position for that.
They took out Warden.
Oh, get in there. Oh shoot.
Our green walker is under attack.
I guess we got some upgrades. Did I DC? I don't know. That was weird.
Our blue walker is under
Go
attack.
back. Holy, the whole team is dying.
I'll run base again once I get back up.
His power.
I got you.
Don't be a jerk.
I don't play Rem enough, so I'm not that good with the sinners.
How dangerous is mid right now?
I don't know. We're kind of hanging out here.
I'll go under.
I do think they're kind of gathered around the urn.
Yeah, there.
Catch that. Ooh, almost. Do this. This. Oh, I'm gonna get where it's spiked. Ooh. Who's right there? Drifter. Let's go, Warden. The ball is in play. Oh. Get her, get her, get her, get her. Oops. It's just a reflex, I'm sorry. Run.
I got her back a little bit.
Headed to blue.
Oh.
Put
Yeah,
over
yeah.
to green since I have speed boost.
They're coming back, Bebop. And Furnace is actually behind.
I know you'll help me.
Blue mid. I'm coming blue, I have ult.
I gotta spin these souls.
Get him, get him, get him. Nom, 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 nom. Chase, 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 chase. Yes!
We're fine.
Nom, 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 nom.
Let's push blue.
Man blew up while petrified. Learning new tech. Rather unfortunate to be.
Rather unfortunate.
I see the drifter.
Oh, he just got so CC'd. Oh, lagging. Frick. Let's get up here. Let's throw my pillow. Oh. Ow. Thank you, Dynamo.
Good job.
Keep going. They've got that. I'm stealing sinners. I'm not stealing them. They're all mine. They never weren't mine. They were promised to me 3,000 years ago.
Our blue walker is under attack.
I hope you guys don't mind I'm taking every single sinner in existence.
That's fine.
Let's push up green. They will not stop me.
Vindicta won.
I have blood tribute. Oh my goodness. I actually think I'm fine against you.
I see the enemy.
Oh, not two though. Ooh. Uh-oh. I'm getting a little jumped on green. I should be okay though. Did my guys not steal the doubles?
Is playing
I can pop over green.
to perfection.
No. I think they did.
I'm thirsty.
You're mine. Yeah, I also need to buy. What the heck do I even need? Empiric burst would be nice.
Vindicta's here.
Server reload. Ooh. Let's wait. Sure, I can upgrade. Yeah.
Hope you find your way home.
Imperial Magnum.
Oh, she stunned me.
Such heroism,
Rude.
Warden.
They took our Viper.
Oh. I'm so upset.
They're so afraid of gun rem.
The spirit earned.
Oh, he's so small and cute. Oh god, he's got a gun.
Oh god, it's a gauntlet gun!
Oh god, the timers are up 10 minutes, 25 minutes now. Good to know. After I run next turn, or they run earn. Uh-oh.
Bro brought silencing wave for Rem. You're so afraid of me. There's too many! Drifters lit in the little shop area. Boom. Good stun. Ivy's cooking. How did Drifter get to full health? I don't know. Oh.
Presence is a boon to us all.
3v3.
I'm just gonna take mid.
That's fair.
The beginning of the end.
You guys should probably just back. Infernus is about to jump on you, probably.
Our blue walker is under
All right.
attack.
I don't really think there's any sort of chance they win this game unless Vindicta just goes crazy for some reason.
The rejuvenator
It's
is
kind of already set in stone. Getting rejuve too. I just take green. Need that walker. Hunter's aura. Their highest gun protection is Dynamo. Oh, actually, Vindicta has one. That's higher.
Damn it.
Game. 200 damage. What the heck? Ba, 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 ba. Round 2 of Sinners. Slurp. 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 Fucked. No, 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 no. Oh. Well, that didn't work.
I'm killing Celeste. She's in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, that we already have this walker. When do we get green walker? The minions I pushed kill it? How about me? Gunrem.
They do lots of things.
I kinda like you. Doubles are up. Steal those. Kill these little gremlins. Oh, gun boost. I think I need that. I think I need it.
Taking her in.
Oh, 28.42% fire rate. Oh, I already took this. Like I think we've gotten every single urn. This Viper's just on it. Sliding.
They're great at shuffling. They took out
Give me. What? Ivy.
I see Inferno.
Oh. Go in! Machine gun! Machine gun! Keep going! Keep going!
I got a good feeling about
Wow!
Jesus. Yeah, we can just push their base.
Blah 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 blah!
Who needs to spend 13K?
Man, all the people who built Pillow really didn't understand the power of REM.
Okay, I need someone to help tank.
This is already nice. Ow! Ow! Imperial Magnum. Blah, blah, blah. Bow, 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 bow. 10 seconds for Celeste.
Once we break it to half, we leave.
Yeah. Celeste is just gonna dump her ult.
Yeah, they're all gonna dump their ults.
Oh, I have 21k.
Yeah, we're doing good right now. This shit's fucked. Oh my god, we're almost ahead by 100k. Oh my god. We're ahead by 80.
I'll get us there.
Two 6,400 upgrades. 2 tier 4s. Oh, sorry, 3 tier 4s. One was just cheaper.
I love that ult sound. I don't know if I need Hunter's Aura at this point.
I see Vindicta.
I think I might just get Glass Cannon and Inhibitor. Just dump the gun damage. I guess no, I don't want to.
Rise up and take
Oh,
what
this.
you deserve.
We get crippling headshot. Yeah.
Please don't bolt in my shop.
All right, I think we put them out of their misery.
I agree.
Ba, 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 ba.
good game.
What a game! Gunrem taking it for the victory.
They say if you snooze, you lose, but that's not true, because I snooze all the time, and look at me now.